They say that the best way for you to leave a legacy is to have these three things. First of all, uh, for you to leave a legacy, you could bear children, and you have grandchildren, and you can make a new generation of your family. Second one is that you can build a business so that you can leave something for the people and for your family. And the third one is plant a tree, because planting a tree will give you sort of ownership on the tree that you planted. Siyempre, nag-umpisa yan ng maliit, tapos lalaki, and then eventually you can even put your name to that tree para maiwan mo doon sa mga susunod na generation. Okay, hi, this is EC Foncardas for Easy Thoughts, your inspiration for a successful, significant life. So, all of those three, actually we are here in Mines View Park in Baguio right now. Dun sa tatlo na yan, ang pwede nyong gawin is try to plant a tree right now. In order for you to leave a legacy para sa mga susunod na generation, para sa mga anak natin, is to have that one little plant, put it in your backyard, or you can even sponsor an environmental group para makapagtanim ka ng maliit na puno. Then you can share that para doon sa mga susunod na generation. Okay, kasi nature at its best can be done if somehow yung little step of what we do every day is may contribution dun sa generation na susunod sa atin. Okay? And one way of doing that is to plant a tree. So one step at a time, we can help our environment to nourish and be prepared for the next generation, especially right now. There's many houses now here in Baguio. So you can actually contribute for a little while by planting that tree and leave a legacy. Again, this is EC Foncardas for Easy Thoughts, inspiration for a successful and significant life.